everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I'm saying happy Sunday because today is Sunday, so this is why I'm saying happy Sunday, guys. I hope you guys are doing amazing, like doing very well. So in this video I'm going to be making chicken with beer. Can I call it chicken beer or beer chicken or chicken with beer, whichever one that rhyme, that is the right word to use. So, and I want to be showing you guys how to make this. You know, I'm a food lover, like I'm a fooder. I love cooking, I love good food, I love home meal food. That does not mean that I don't go to restaurants. I go to restaurants, but I also enjoy I also enjoy cooking at home, cooking for my families at home, and I enjoy that smile when they are eating the food and they're like, the food is good and that. So I enjoy cooking. So and I want to carry you guys along in every bit of it. Like any new recipe I want to try, I really want to share it with you guys. You can try it, you know. So, and guess what, Valentine is coming soon, and this is my birthday month as well. This is why I'm uploading regularly, for you guys to have different options of food you make at home, okay, for your husband, for your wife, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, for your children, or for your siblings as well. When you have family, you love all your family. So this season of Valentine is season that you celebrate love with everybody you love. It's not just a boyfriend or husband, wife, or girlfriend. You also celebrate Valentine with your kids, with your friends in the office, with all your loved ones, because it's just about love. So the love is not just about your partner, it's around you and the people you love. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this chicken with beer. I already have chicken I made with wine here on my channel as well, so make sure you check it out. Go through my playlist. You will see a lot of food options to make for your loved ones, and not just for the Valentine. Every day, every time, all the time, anytime you want to make this food. So I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe, and it's just a simple one. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get to it. Ingredients, like I said, it's a simple recipe, that is not complicated at all. So here I have my Parmigiano cheese. If you haven't tried cheese before, Parmesan in English, which is Parmigiano in Italian, you need to give this a try because it adds extra flavor to your food. And here I have mixture of butter and extra virgin of olive oil. I'm going to be using black pepper, salt, and here is the beer I'm going to be using a cup of beer for this recipe. And here is upwards of flour, fresh thyme. You can use dry thyme if you cannot find a fresh one, okay. And here is the chicken breast. Make sure you are using this flat one, okay, because that is what I'm going to be using for this recipe. So yes, guys, so here is the flour. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to marinate this flour, just this. Cut them with the flour. That is all you need to do here, okay. So on the pan, I'm going to add the butter and extra virgin of olive oil. I'm going to allow the butter to melt before we proceed, okay. The butter and the oil is hot enough. I'm going to add the tea. I wanted to call it timo, which is what it's called in Italian. I added the fresh thyme into the oil and butter mixture, just for them to absorb that thyme flavor, okay. Just do this for a minute, and then I'm going to be adding the chicken. So after 1 minute, I'm going to add my chicken into the oil and butter. I'm going to season with salt, each side with salt and pepper. Allow each side to roast for a couple of minutes, then turn them over and season them again with salt and pepper, okay. So I'm going to turn the chicken over now and season the both sides as well.
So guys, now I'm going to be adding the beer. After adding them, allow them to evaporate before adding the cheese we are using. So here the beers are done evaporating, as you can see. So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of cheese on each layer of that chicken. After adding the cheese, turn the heat down and allow the cheese to melt. So here, as you can see, the cheese, everything that is melted. Now I'm going to take them out of the heat. Please guys, this chicken is meant to be eaten very hot or warm. Don't allow them to get cold to get that nice flavor of beer and cheese inside. This tasted so delicious, guys. Don't worry, you're not going to get drunk because the alcohol evaporated earlier. Give this a try, guys. You will love it. Trust me. My husband was like, where did you get this recipe? This is delicious. Trust me, you're going to love this. So don't forget to enjoy this with the oil that they were cooked on. It's delicious, guys. So give them a try. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.